Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a quick and easy low weight visual makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. Just gonna get started now. So I'm gonna start out with a primer, and I'm gonna put it in my T-zone, kind of blending that out, and then going in with a concealer as the base and putting it in my T-zone underneath the chin, taking a beauty blender and blending it out. Then I'm going to take a cream concealer and blend that out as well, making sure everything is seamless. Going in with a liquid contour. We're going to depend on the contour to add kind of shaping to our face, making sure everything is seamless. Again, most of the products are going to be creams and liquids. This is really important for low weight visuals. Making sure there's no harsh lines and using kind of the contour to create shadow and color on the face. Going in with a kind of apricot color cream blush. I'm gonna just use my finger to place it on my face and then go in with a blush to kind of blend it out further. Make sure it seamlessly transitions from my contour to my blush. Look at that highlight, it's amazing. Going in with a powder bronzer now. We are going to put that where we put the contour, just lightly tapping it in. No harsh lines again, making sure it's very seamlessly in. Then I'm going to set the blush as well. Take a powder blush in the same color and pat that on where you put the cream blush on very lightly. And then wherever I didn't put any bronzer or blush, I'm going to lightly set with my loose powder. Going back in with the bronzer, we're going to use this as the base color for our eyes. And today's makeup is kind of like a brownie toasty makeup. So put that all over the lid and on the lower lash line. Going with this kind of light color, we're going to highlight the center of our eyes. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. And curl your bottom lashes, it looks weird, but it works, trust me. Then I'm going to tightline. This is a really important step because this is like a natural way to line your eyes or wear eyeliner is to tightline. And I'm going to tightline the half of the lower lash line too, going in with a dark brown eyeshadow. And then we're going to smoke it out, making sure there's no harsh lines. This is key to low weight visual makeup, is making sure there's no harsh lines. Going in with a lighter brown, I'm going to set the bottom eyeliner. Then I'm using that same dark brown shadow, and we're going to draw our wing eyeliner. For this look, I just winged it out straight. I didn't go up, I just went with my natural eye shape. Then we're going to use brown mascara and no falsies for this look. I just use brown mascara on the top eyelashes and the bottom eyelashes, coating, making sure it's opaque and coated. Now onto your brows. So I'm going to take a clear brow gel first and lay down the brow hairs and kind of shape it. The brows for this look are very airy, and I want to take a tinted eyebrow gel now and only do the top parts of my eyebrow to define them even more. Then I'm going to take a eyebrow pencil and fill in the sparse areas at the end and the top. Again, we're only filling in and making it look airy. We do not want it to look like block brows, okay? Very light, very airy, very natural. Then I'm going to highlight. So I'm taking a small brush and highlighting the tip of my nose bridge, my cheekbones, my brow bone, and my chin. And this is a very soft light highlighter, so you do not want like the blinding highlighter. You just want a very soft, delicate highlighter. Taking a small detail brush, and I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes to make them pop a little bit more. For lips, we're doing very simple just using my lip oil. And then we're gonna blend it out with our fingers, and that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.